Hello and welcome to DragDropr. My name is Norbert and I am the founder of this great time saver. Today I would like to show you how easy you can create landing pages, blog articles and any kind of content for your Shopify store. After your sign up, the first you will see is this project overview. By clicking on the plus button here, you can create a Shopify page, a Shopify article or simple HTML pages. I will show you how this can be used later. So now start with the Shopify page, just click it and the core system of DragDropr will open up our visual editor. In the middle of this editor you can give the page a name. My first Shopify page, here we are. You can change the viewport. We build all the pages responsive, so you can easily decide which size you would like to see, and you even can limit, so we can build full page width, of course, but you also can limit the page width here. You can say, okay, I just want to have all content with 1024 pixels, for instance. So if I drop an element, a widget, which is on the left hand side, to the canvas, which is in the middle, it will only have the width of 1024 pixels. If I remove the same again, I can be full width. Okay, now let's limit it, because we do want to create it with a limited width. So I drop my first widget here. Now I can easily drop my other widgets next to each other. I can move it under each other, and I can even drop a widget in the same column where already other widgets are. As soon as I select a widget, I can specify some settings and stylings. So I could easily, let's say, change the alignment or add some styling like background color or background images. I can also put some widgets within a section. So I just drop in my section and put in the elements within the section. I can easily pick already used widgets from outside sections and move it into the sections, above, below, or of course on left or right next to the widgets. If you don't want to design everything yourself, you easily can make use of our pre-designed content blocks. Just pick them from the content block section and drop it to your canvas. We use real section widgets for that. So everything inside a section can be edited by yourself. You can easily add another widget there, or remove or change whatever you want. So it's just some starting point for you to create your very own design. Of course, you can rearrange sections and move them up and down. Now let's see how our content looks on smaller devices and preview them. Okay, in this case I don't want to show this image on mobile devices. No problem. Just click on that image to open the widget settings here, or use the right mouse button to open up the inline settings. It are the very same settings as we have right here, and you can go to responsive, and either, well, you would like to have the two images under each other, no problem. Just use the reverse wrap and we change this. Or we do even hide the image on the specific device. As you can see, the image is grayed out, and when I use the preview, you can't see the image anymore. But on the next device, it's here again, and also on the preview, you see the image is here. You can even switch the previews, the sizes on the preview. Okay, looks great. I want to have it like this. Now, what's missing? Okay, here I could need some image, so I just click on that, go to the widget settings, and get an image from my image manager. Here I do have some image uploaded already. I just pick this one, but you easily can use the upload manager to drop images here and upload them, or even get them by URL. You can create folders to structure your images, of course, and of course you can also add some other media files like PDFs for download, or whatever you prefer. So what's missing? Oh yeah, I wanted to add some products. So just pick the product widget here and drop it wherever you want. So I want to have the product right under the headline. Dropped it, go to the widget settings, and as you can see, you can use the search box, but just we are loading all your products here. So you search for them, and let's say we would like to show some Nike cap. Just pick it, and you see that it is loading. You can even turn off, let's say, the description and the title. We show the elements again, and we save the page now. So this moment we submit the page to Shopify. So we go here again and go to pages, and as you can see, here is my first Shopify page that I just created. And when you open that up and you click on view, you can see that the content we built was submitted already to Shopify, and that is everything showing up like we designed it in DragDropr. What you see is what you really get. If you want to add some additional CSS, just go down here and write your own CSS, whatever you need. Now let us go back to the Shopify pages. You also can create Shopify articles, blog posts, the same way. So as soon as you create a new article, you come to the drag and drop editor, you pick your blogs. By the way, we always try, either if it's a page or if it's a blog post, it doesn't matter, we always try to apply your Shopify styles, that current CSS that you already use for your web shop. And you can turn it off, of course, but mainly you do not need to change the widget stylings if you make use of the Shopify CSS. So again, the blog posts, you do the same thing that you do for pages. You give it a name, new Shopify article, okay, sorry, we need to select, of course, where we want to publish the blog. So we want to publish it to our news section, and then of course we can save it. Now we go back to the blog. Here we are, blog posts, and here is my Shopify article that I just created. Go there, view it, and you see that the article is loading up, and you see as well that we have the full width not limited in the page settings. So as you can see here, it's not it's the full width, and now I just limit it. Save it, go back, and you see that my content is limited already. Now let us go back to Shopify, go to pages, and what else you can do is, first of all, you can create a new page right from within Shopify. Just click on Actions and create page with DragDropr. In this moment, we open up DragDropr, create a new page for you. You can start designing, you save it, and when you come back to Shopify and reload the page, you see that the second page is here as well. When you click on a page to open it up in detail, you have also an option here. Just edit the existing page. By clicking it, we open up DragDropr, and you can start re-editing your existing page. Now, last but not least, you can go back to the projects and make use of HTML pages. Just create one, and Yeah, the same way. Pick your widgets you want to use, any kind of content sections, and now you can save it and go to code and copy that code. Now we go back to Shopify and go to, let's say, products and collections. Okay, so we pick any kind of collection, let's say the kids collection, and here you see the WYSIWYG editor, and here you have the possibility to switch to HTML. Just paste the code that you picked from DragDropr to this section and press save. And now we can view the same page, and you see that we have our design that we currently built in DragDropr here in this collection. So on any place within Shopify where you found such a WYSIWYG editor, you can make use of DragDropr. And also, when you edit your theme, and there you have the possibility to put in an HTML element. So you go here to Online Store Themes and customize your theme. Now you can add a new section, and let's say you put some custom content here. Edit, and we want to have HTML. Then you just put in your code, click on save, and you see the thing we designed is here. Of course, you can play around with that and change the container width and everything, and bring in your very unique design to every single position within your Shopify store. Okay, mainly that's it. Let's go back. DragDropr was built to save you a lot of time and give you the ability to create stunning content and really amazing landing pages a very easy way. But if you need some custom elements, so let's say you would like to have some special content blocks or even some specialized widget that are just built for your use, then reach out to us to hello@dragdropr.com, or you just go here in the projects view and use our chat widget below. Now it's your turn. Start building beautiful landing pages. Have fun. Bye bye.